Dear friends, in this video, we will show you how to repair a mesh for 3D printing using two important tools, MeshInspector and Mesh Healer. The MeshInspector tool serves to visualize and identify primary mesh problems that may prevent you from printing high-quality prints. These problems include self-intersections, thin wall faces, and more. In the Advanced tab, you have the option to manually set thresholds. For instance, you can input your 3D printer's resolution as the critical wall thickness. Once you've used the MeshInspector tool, the next step is to activate the Mesh Healer tool with its default settings. This will make the mesh watertight and eliminate any identified inconsistencies. Then, take a final look at your model using the MeshInspector tool. You'll find that the mesh is now free from problems like self-intersections, degenerate faces, multiple edges, and thin walls. We won't worry about overhangs and short edges since they aren't relevant to our chosen 3D printing method. Since the Mesh Healer tool adds new faces, we recommend that you decimate the mesh before exporting it for 3D printing. Thank you for watching.